welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is all about some products that I got from Chanel. They sent me the Teint Ultra Long Wear All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. This is what it looks like. So they sent me 3 different shades that I can put up a review for you guys. I know you guys were very keen to find out more about their products when I did put the press drop that they sent me on my stories. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys. I'm going to be playing around with the foundation. I'm going to be playing around with some of the other products as well. I hope you guys are keen to hear all about some pretty amazing products. This is not my first time using them, so this is not a first impressions. This is like a proper review because I filmed this video before, but now I'm refilming it because I wasn't really happy with the lighting. So yeah, enough rambling. If you guys are excited to see this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now and also click the notifications bell, and also leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys felt about the video overall. So let's get into it. So I'm first going to start off by hydrating my face with the Hydra Beauty Camellia water cream from Chanel. This is what it looks like. I really like the fact that Chanel prioritizes hydration so much, because that's something I'm really struggling with at the moment because of these peels, and also being on R10 has really just made my skin a little bit like dry. So yeah, my breakouts have really calmed down though. As you guys can see, my skin is also still a little bit red and inflamed because I got the peel a couple of days ago. It hasn't been that long, but breakout wise they're really calming down. And for all the people who expressed some concern under my peel video where they're like, how are you getting peels while you're on Artane, I did tell Dr. P what dosage I'm on, so she is doing pretty mild peels. I know most dermatologists say that you shouldn't do peels when you are on Artane, but she wouldn't do anything that would interfere with that or something that's too harsh for my skin. So now the next product I'm gonna use is the foundation, of course. VR102 is pretty warm. I can already see without even having opened it. I'm not gonna swatch it because I think I remember what my shade was when I went in store. So I'm just gonna swatch B80 as well as BD71. This is BD71. Quite the yellow undertone. I don't know, I feel like that might be a bit too light for me. And this is B80. I think I'm pretty happy with B80. I actually like to go a little bit darker on my foundation because my neck is obviously darker than my actual face. If I match my face, then my face is going to look lighter than my neck, which I don't like. I want it to blend in very well. So I'm going to go in with B80. So this is the slogan of the foundations campaign. Forget foundation, choose confidence with new Chanel Ultra Teint. Flawless, natural coverage for a luminous matte finish and 24-hour wear. Weightless, comfortable texture, 30 shades to match all skin tones. I have to give them props on the shade selection. Lasting perfection for every woman. So the Ultra Teint goes beyond perfect coverage and a radiant skin tone thanks to new technology developed by Chanel Research. Ultra Natural, the perfect skin complex with its film forming properties, perfectly embraces facial contours and resists water, sebum and even heat and humidity. Ultra Long Wear, infallible color and a matte finish, deliver a no transfer makeup result that requires no touch-ups throughout the day. Ultra Perfection, a silicone soft focus powder, corrects imperfections and eliminates dark areas without creating a mask effect. I like that. Ultra Comfort, glycerine from vegetable origin, offers a sensation of comfort from morning till night. And the foundation does retail for 925 Rand, and it is available at selected Woolworths and Edgars stores. I'm not going to test it out for 24 hours, guys. I can't wear makeup for 24 hours, so I'm just going to give you guys a review based off what I am currently feeling in the video. So I'm going to get the shade B80. I'm going to be applying this with a beauty blender. I did put on about 3 pumps because I know that for me, 1 pump isn't enough. There was a day where when I was wearing this, I did feel it was a little bit warm. But after having highlighted my face and everything, I was really happy. So it's a very easy to apply foundation, very easy to blend on. And as you guys can see the finish so far, I've basically used all 3 of those pumps just on my cheek area, so I have to go in with another one for my forehead area. And I'm just going to reapply just over my problem areas. They were not really focused on formulating a full coverage foundation, but it definitely does have pretty good coverage. I would say that it is definitely buildable to full. I think it's medium to full coverage, because the times that I've also used it, I haven't been using a concealer. I've been using it on its own because I've really just been wanting to see how well the foundation works on its own, you know. I just really want you guys to see how it truly wears. Now I'm gonna move on to highlighting my face, and I don't have a Chanel concealer, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna use my Revolution concealer in the shade C12. I really like this concealer. I love how it's thick but it doesn't feel heavy, and it has amazing coverage. And sometimes if I feel like it's a bit too, you know, light, I often feel that way around my chin and my forehead area, so I just mix it with Warm Honey from LA Girl. Oh my gosh guys, we hit 150,000 subbies. Thank you so much. I almost forgot to say thank you. I saw this last night and I was so happy. I was in bed and I was like, oh my god, I hit 150,000 subbies, what? And this morning I was so lazy to get up and film, but I watched like 2 of my old videos, like very old videos, probably from like 2016, and that motivated me to get up. But yeah, your guys' support has really kept me going. So yeah, I'm really happy. I'm gonna do a giveaway soon. I actually have like a box of product in the corner of my beauty room. It's like a full box, so I just need to separate. I think if I can separate the product amongst 3 people, because to give everything to one person, I think it would be a bit too much. So yeah, I'll be announcing a giveaway very soon. Okay, so now that I'm done with my highlighting, I just want to show you guys how the finish is. I think it's pretty good. I really like it. I'm just gonna bake my under eyes with some loose powder. This was actually left over from my masterclass. Guys, I'm also so happy about my masterclass. I just really feel like everything is slowly but surely happening the way I've always dreamed for it to happen. So I'm so grateful to God for just blessing me so much with all these opportunities and making my dreams a reality. Of course, it also comes with working towards things, because you can't just sit and pray about things alone. You need to put in action as well. So I'm just really so fortunate to be even given the opportunities to be able to do things like that. We are using a Chanel eyeshadow palette. This is the palette. This was part of their winter collection, I think. So I'm gonna grab a blending brush and I'm just gonna go in with this beautiful cranberry shade over here, and I'm just gonna work this on the crease. I'm not gonna complicate this look too much because it's more about reviewing the product than it is about technique. So I'm just gonna work this into my crease like so. This color is so beautiful, oh my gosh. It's beyond stunning. I really like it. So now I'm gonna grab a flat brush, but a flat fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna dampen it with some setting spray like so. And then I am gonna go in with this green color over here, and I'm gonna work that onto my lid as if I'm doing a cut crease, but I'm not really doing a cut crease because we're not doing a cut crease. I'm gonna go in with this brush from Real Techniques. This is the writing is coming off, so I don't know, but it's like a very small, dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna pack the product onto my lower lash line like so. I am using the same cranberry shade I used in my crease. I'm gonna go off camera to stick on my lashes, put on my mascara, and then I'll be back to complete the rest of my face. I am done with my eye makeup. I'm now going to move on to my contour. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette from MAC, and I'm going to be using this shade over here. I'm now going to move on to blush. I'm using the Format Frost blush from MAC. I absolutely love this blush. Some of my brushes are wet, you guys, because I did wash them, so I'm really just improvising and using whatever works. So if something looks a little bit weird, like oh my gosh, why is she using that brush, she never uses it, then just know that's why. Pretty! I'm now highlighting my face using the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow highlighter, and you guys know where to highlight. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering which mascara I used, I did use the Chanel Volume Revolution mascara, which is amazing, especially for like places that are hard to reach, like lower lashes. The applicator really does distribute the product well. This is what it looks like. So I really love this, and I also love the packaging. It's stunning. I have a lipstick that they call a liquid powder, which is basically like a liquid lipstick, but it has like a mousse finish more than anything. It's not as mattifying as liquid lipstick would be. And then I recently got these, which are the hydrating lipsticks, and this is what the packaging looks like. So it has a clear top there with the Chanel logo, so you can see what shade it is inside the bottle. I got 54 Boy, which is apparently their most famous nude. I got All Time, which is 68 All Time, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing correctly, but this is like a plum shade. And then I got 96 Phenomenon, which is a red. Oh, other way around. So the Phenomenon is plum. That's what it looks like. And as you can see, the lipstick is very, very hydrating. So it has like a very glossy finish, perfect for people with dry lips. And then this is the red. And you guys know Chanel is very famous for their red lipsticks. And then this is Boy, which is everybody's favorite nude. You can really barely see it. It has a very soft finish. I feel like you could also get away with having this in your bag every day for even days when you're not wearing any lipstick. So I want a lip color that's a little bit more present, because these are perfect if you want something that's very natural. So I'm first going to go in with a matte liquid lipstick, and then I'm going to go over with Boy, because as much as I really enjoy matte lipsticks, I also find that lately they're a bit overwhelming because my lips are extra dry. So I'm going to go in with a liquid lipstick first, and then after that I'm going to go over with Boy. This is something I would wear on its own when I'm not wearing any makeup, but I feel like when I am wearing makeup, I prefer to mix it with another lipstick because it's not as pigmented as I would prefer. It's not a bad thing. This is just what other people do prefer in terms of pigment and finish. Or it's something I'd wear on its own when I'm wearing very natural makeup, because it has a very beautiful soft pink peachish tint to it. Just to give you guys my final opinion on the foundation, I really do enjoy this foundation. I mean, from the packaging, the whole frosted bottle, frosted cap, the beautiful white writing, it's just such elegant packaging. I mean, what else would you expect from Chanel? And in terms of the product inside, it's formulated so well. I really love the fact that you have a matte finish, but it does appear like skin. It's like a luminous finish. I think this product is suitable for everyone in terms of the fact that you can put on a very light layer which will obviously give you that very soft skin-like appearance. If you're someone who wants full coverage, it definitely is buildable. Although it's not full coverage, I'd say it definitely is a medium coverage foundation. You can always use a concealer with it. Like for example, in future, if I want to completely cover my marks, then I would have to either color correct or use a concealer before applying the foundation. But other than that, I am 100% happy with this. I love the fact that I can find my perfect shade. There are 30 other shades as well, so if you want to go see, ladies, you can see if you can pick up your shade. I thought this shade selection was pretty good, and it was quite impressive for a high-end foundation, so I'm really impressed by that. Another product that I really do love is the Hydra Camellia water cream. This is so great for using underneath your makeup if you're someone with extremely dry skin. Unfortunately, I'm not too sure how much this retails for. I will leave the detail down below. I have all the prices of the products used down below as well. I really do enjoy this product. I think it makes wearing makeup a little bit more of a pleasant experience for me, considering how dry and flaky my skin is right now. And overall, I'm really impressed with the Chanel products. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for 150,000 subbies. I really do appreciate it. A giveaway will be coming soon, so please keep a lookout for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.